I want to lay in there. Hell
no,
yeah.
Colin, don't. Colin.
Hello?
What's that? Flashlight. No, she would have a thing.
Hello? Hey. What?
Who is it? She said if somebody tries to get in. Call who? Call the cops. No, we'll tell her.
It's okay. Calm down. It's just people that want to see the ghost. It's not like they want to do anything bad.
I think they just probably. They're probably upstairs. I'm not kidding.
What, do you want to go out there where they are? No. They're just people that wanted to see the manor. It's not like they're...
Hi, this is Mary. You know, we try to talk to them, and then they go around the corner up on the steps. So, I don't know if they should just...
Hey! We're filming, so y'all need to get the f*** out of here. Did you pay to come here?
Oh no, we were asking if we could, like...
No, we paid $400 to be here, and you're scaring the shit out of my girlfriend and my mom, so you guys need to leave.
Sorry.
You guys are like really not being cool right now.
Well, no, we're not trying to scare you.
How are we trying to scare you? We're just wondering if we could spend the night here.
Like, they have the $40 thing or whatever, you can spend the night.
Yeah, y'all can talk to them online and rent the property.
We can come back.
Yeah, not trying to be rude,
No, it's okay.
but I can't open this door because it's locked. But y'all just scared the f***ing shit out of us.
Let me see, how old are they?
They're like high schoolers.
No, they're cool.
Okay, now he said it.
They were like 8, they were like 17. I'm just gonna say right now, hold on, let me get focused.
See, they're still here. Wait, let me touch my flag. Let me touch it.
What's your YouTube channel?
If you look up the Paranormal Files, that's us. We're from Texas.
No. That's sketchy.
Okay, so what I was gonna say is that I had a feeling that that was gonna happen. Strangely enough.
I kind of am surprised during the middle of the week. I thought maybe the weekend.
That's what I was thinking. I was like, well, it's not like Friday or Saturday.
Yeah,
I feel like they're like, no, let's go during the week.
yeah.
Yeah, I thought that compared to Velisca, I was like, I just have a feeling that this time it will happen. And
Yeah.
then that's what you get. Upstairs?
Where's my...
Okay. So, after that was a strange little encounter. We are going to go upstairs now, back to the spook room. Second floor, like you said, Mom, this is where you got touched the first time.
Yeah.
And then the second time was in the basement.
Yeah.
So we haven't even been really to the most active areas of the manor so far. Ugh, wait. Wasn't there like a light on down there?
No.
Or was it always just dark like that?
It was dark.
I'm not the biggest fan of being in the back, but... Just kidding, you can have the front, Mom.
One way. Oh,
What?
this is the room 200 where her husband came in here, and then something held him down in the bed.
This is the room where the husband came and someone
And the
held him on the
dogs.
bed?
The dog started barking like crazy.
Wow, what a comfortable room. What does paper say?
It's so dark. There's an open shirt in here.
Oh, shit. Freaking ventriloquist dummy. My biggest fear. Peyton, remember when we were reading about this place? Isn't this the doll that they said was like specifically haunted?
Yes, because I've never seen that photo.
She said that somebody came in here and was going to steal a puzzle piece,
Mm-hmm.
and then a voice said, "Don't!"
Grab
And she
one.
put it down, yeah.
Grab one.
No. I
Yeah,
was
take
gonna
one.
do it.
Guess I'll take this puzzle piece and I'm going to steal it. Don't! Don't!
I like how you actually put it back because you freaked out.
No, don't.
That's gonna be really funny, actually. I'm gonna take this puzzle piece and I'm gonna steal it.
This is like half ocean puzzle and
It is, it's like,
snow puzzle. Is it coral?
oh, jeez.
It's purposeful that you can't finish it because they want the ghosts to be entertained forever.
Like a sea turtle.
You're stuck in purgatory.
Till you
Yeah.
finish the puzzle, there's no solution.
Oh, Charlie McCarthy.
And he's looking right at you.
Charlie. So the deputy's coming out.
He is?
Outside the whole thing. So
I like these old signs. Just staff, make sure this door is shut and locked. I also have 1,000 noises. In a hurry. When did this place close?
2010.
Oh, so not that long.
Uh-uh.
'Cause that magazine's from 2009.
She just bought it in 2012, I think. This room is supposed to have a couple old ladies in here.
This one?
Uh-huh. Maybe you smell BO when you come in here.
Yeah.
I smelled it before too.
it smells like old lady. The lady smells like is like my grandma smells like.
It does. It's weird. But when we came in before, I'm like, is either that woman or me? Like,
No, I smell that.
no, I mean, that's kind of unusual.
Definitely. Why would a room smell like that after years?
Yeah. And it's just right when you walk in here.
Mm-hmm.
Like, there's supposed to be like a nice woman on this side and a really crabby woman on that side. So if you're the really nice or crabby woman and you want us to leave, can you just make a noise or tell us to go?
Sorry. Oh, it smells like shit in here.
Are you making that noise?
Huh. Sit right here. Turn the lights out for a second.
Turn the lights on.
Yep.
We're not here to harm you, ladies. But can you let us know that you're here? If you'd like us to leave your bedroom?
My shoulders just hurt. My neck is really cold. So is my back, is what I was gonna say. Me too. Can you use your voice and tell us who you are? He's right behind us. How do you feel, baby? You okay, honey? You're really quiet. Y'all want to keep going? What's on there?
This?
Mm-hmm. Ugh.
To my left, they're jammies.
Oh, dude, a bath would be so nice right now.
Oh, okay, this is creepy.
What?
Something in this room is like very.
Oh, what the hell?
It's so creepy, Peyton. Because some people that came in to investigate wanted to bring that in here.
Why?
I don't know. She's like, I don't know why they did it, but they left it. And then she says sometimes people go in there. I'm like, that's disgusting. It's kind of gross though.
What? Wait, no, I want to lay in there. Hell
No,
yeah.
Colin, don't.
I've always wanted to sit in a casket. That's
Colin,
perfect for the
Here,
show.
I'm no. That's disgusting, Colin.
What?
It's the casket's.
What do you mean
it's
it's
gonna
disgusting? It's not
fall
a
over.
used casket. It's just a
gonna fall
casket.
over.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Okay, let me just test it. It's not gonna fall over at all. It's so
I don't want you to
stupid.
go in there, Colin.
Just let me lay once. Just let me lay once. Peyton, come back. What do you mean? You don't want to see me in a casket?
No,
Why?
because that's gross.
Peyton. You guys really gonna make me vlog myself going into this goddamn casket? Really, we're in an abandoned psych hospital and you're gonna get triggered at me sitting in a casket.
Yes. If that falls over, because you're not like exactly a lightweight.
It's not that bad. Look at
Colin.
these are brand new shoes. Oh, this is how you end? Like this? It's kind of comfy though.
We're
Seal
leaving.
me in, dog. Someone seal me in for a second.
No.
Hey, seal me in. I just want to see what it's like.
Are you shitting me?
No! You're not even doing the scary part. I'm the one that's in the casket. I'm one with the spirits.
Hey, Peyton, let's go.
Where's the latch on this thing?
Okay, Colin. Colin, people are gonna think that's like gross. Don't put that in your video.
No, they're not. What do you mean?
That's like disgusting. Let's go.
So, I just laid in the casket. Hopefully that will bring me a little closer to spiritual enlightenment. These two are roasting the hell out of me. But I just want to let you viewers online know that this is not a real casket. It was never used by anybody in a funeral. It is just a prop that has been left here by paranormal investigators. So there's nothing wrong with doing that. And I, in fact, have always wanted to lay in a casket, and I actually just got to live out one of my dreams. It was very comfortable.
A lot of people dream to go to Disney
loved it.
World.
I dreamed of a casket. I dreamed of laying in a casket.
Yeah. Yeah, of course, that is really
Uninspired.
I think the sheriff's outside.
Huh?
There's a light on the tree.
I think that's just a street light.
It just faded when I was watching it.
maybe. He's probably like, oh my god, 2 women's faces just appeared.
I will admit though, that was creepy. Makes me realize that I don't want to die. Because that thing is not as comfortable as I would hope. Can you feel the padding on it?
I don't think it
That creepy?
matters when you're toast.
Was it-
Did you go down?
Oh, see, look, there's headlights out there, isn't it?
Good.
Move the flashlight away from its
Yeah.
easier to see.
Should I look? Should we just talk to him?
Sure.
What are they driving?
You know what? We didn't see
No, we didn't
because
see.
we didn't. There was no car, and
I mean,
then
we
they
would have
just,
had to run out around here.
yeah.
And see.
Yeah, we didn't want to come out.
We're like, we're
No
scared the way
ghosts,
it
no
is.
ghosts, but
We're like, oh my gosh,
Creatures.
teenagers are gonna. Yeah.
Any idea which way they took off when they left the last
I mean,
time?
I just saw a car go out the street and to the left.
Sounds good. We'll hang out in the area for a while. And
Thank
if
you.
if they do come back, just give us a call and see if we can snag them.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Spirits, we are back. Ugh, instantly creepy again. I love how in that. So the live stream's having trouble connecting. All of a sudden, right when we head downstairs. Shh. Did you hear that? It's not gonna work. Everybody online, just want to show you guys, everyone who's watching. We just lost total connection for some reason. So I'm gonna have to cancel the recording. Damn, that was so short.
That's sad.
You ready?
Ready, babe?
Really weird, actually.
Okay, so we weren't filming all of a sudden. This is crazy. Here's the live stream trying to reconnect. This thing is snug in there. See, like you can tap it. Takes a lot to get it to fall out. And it literally just fell out. And did you see it? It fell out and it was actually like this. It was pushed in.
Yeah.
Do you see that?
Yeah.
This thing actually fell onto the ground like this by itself. It's like something doesn't want us to live stream here. Oh, what the hell? Dude, it's broken. Yo, what?
Let's see. That's weird.
Did no one just hear that?
What? What'd you hear?
Something like a really loud move right here. There's someone right here with us. What are you trying to do? Do you not want us to show you to the world? Okay.
I'm so hot. I think we have to go in there.
Yeah, here we go.
Okay, guys, it's over here.
So this is the most haunted area in the building. The basement where the entity known as the Joker is known to reside.